The nature of trickster spirits. Why would you choose to work with a spirit that has the reputation of playing tricks? The answer is this. The trickster has access to the tree of life as well as the tree of death. This means, as the road openers, they give you options, they give you choices. Essentially, you choose to play their game. And when you choose to play their game, you could potentially lose big. Or you can win, but win small. Or also win and win big. Depending upon which route you walk will determine the outcome. So it is your choice, ultimately, your fate. The trickster just gives you the choice. The trickster just allows you to play the game of life or the game of death. So they don't feel bad if you make the wrong choice, because they will still absorb the energy. They get paid either way, in other words. So for them, it makes no difference. They are amoral. And because of this reason, that makes them the perfect ally if you can accept the price or the cost of working with them. If you are true in your heart, you will make the right decision. But that takes courage, because making the right decision means that you must change. You must adapt to hardship when you are forging new routes. The labor involved is tremendous, but the work will pay off if you are able to endure. If you are able to endure the tricks of the trickster, you will find the secrets of life and death, of white and black, of dark and light, the left and the right path. You learn that the middle is most necessary. The forefather who is a son of the people, but that is looked upon with disgust by the mainstream. This is how you would define the trickster, an ancient primordial spirit who is willing to fulfill the most primitive of wishes, which is why they are looked upon with disgust when you have the option of working with a lot more cleaner spirits. But for those who don't mind the dark, for those who prefer the dark, for those who prefer the trial, for those who prefer to play the games, then the trickster is the ultimate ally for self-revelation and self-destruction that is needed to transform into your holy guardian angel, your higher self, your lower self, your middle self, your soul, your spirit. All these things are components of who and what we are. We are the tree of life, and we are the tree of death. This is defined as path working. So if you are interested in path working, there's more information available on the website, asharenew.com. Like, comment, subscribe. I will have more coming in the future. Peace.